Starting with an empty piece of land and ending with an energy-efficient cottage is no easy feat. There's a lot of steps, a lot of moving pieces, and a lot of people involved to make it happen. In 2017, the BC government introduced the BC Energy Step Code, an approach that mandates specific energy-efficient requirements to meet the applicable step within the 5-step BC Building Code. But what does energy efficient even mean? It means reducing any unnecessary energy consumption. Energy efficiency in building is a function of 1, airtightness, and 2, thermal bridging. If you have a home that is leaking air, you're losing all the energy that has been used to heat that home. Not great for the environment and not great for the person who's paying the energy bills. The end goal being net zero construction, the ultimate in energy efficient homes. In May 2023, Step Code 3 was mandated, requiring a further 20% reduction in energy use. So how do you build an energy efficient home efficiently? Minimize the amount of air the home leaks. As with any home, the concrete foundation is key to its structural integrity. For Step Code 3, extra detail ensures that there is a thermal break and that a continuous air barrier will extend down the wall assembly. Wall and roof structures must accommodate both the installation and eventual air barrier necessary for Step Code 3.
We use commercial Tyvek as our major moisture barrier. It's all taped and sealed at all the joints.
This is the Protecto wrap that goes on first before the windows get installed. It's to help keep the moisture and the water out from getting inside. And then we put this stuff on. It's VP Suprema. It's like a peel and stick as well, but it's breathable. And the window gets put in. Once the Tyvek's on, I seal the window flange to the Tyvek with 3M tape. It's sticky and it is flexible.
Together with high-quality windows and doors and an integrated air barrier on the exterior of the building ensures that we achieve the air tightness required. What is air tightness? Air tightness is a metric used to measure how much air leaks in and out of a building, commonly referred to as the air leakage rate. Our air barrier supervisor ensures quality control at installation and that future trades coming on site are educated on the importance of the air barrier and that inadvertent damage is reported for repair.
I'm ensuring that we get a good mark on our air tightness tests and quality checking all the work that's done. They're in the midst of insulating this building, but around all the perimeter of all the windows and as well as the doors, it's all rotted, which is insulation that's stuffed in and then caulked. There's all the weather stripping, the weather gasket that goes in, and that helps seal the door to the door frame to create that airtight gap and minimize heat loss and air loss.
Now it's time to test the air tightness.
There is some air leakage here we can feel by hand, and when they use the smoke machine to generate smoke right next to it, you can see the smoke is being blown away. That kind of further confirms there's an air leakage spot here. And on the infrared camera, you can tell this spot is very blue, means it's fairly cold.
Once the air barrier is complete, a preliminary air tightness test is performed, and leaks are found and fixed before the drywall is installed.
We passed the mid-compression test, and we also have identified a few small areas for improvement. Our goal is to be less than 2.5 ACH, that's per the building code steps 3, and we are way below our requirements. So we're very happy.
Window and door trims, together with cementitious cladding elements, are installed both for weather resistance and for architectural beauty. Various mechanical, electrical, and plumbing rough-ins are installed to meet homeowner standards for modern conveniences, and features such as the capacity for electrical vehicle charging. Other features include high-efficiency heat pumps that provide for both heating and cooling of the home. Because of the air tightness achieved in Step Code 3, there is no presumed passive ventilation, as in older-style homes that naturally leak air. Instead, a heat recovery ventilator ensures that fresh air is introduced in the most energy-efficient way possible. Together, the exterior air barrier, the installation of insulation, and the vapor barrier all come together to provide a complete high-performance wall and roof assembly to ensure that the desired energy performance rating of Step Code 3 is achieved. Various stages of interior finishing work can now proceed, starting with drywall, preliminary flooring, cabinets, countertops, plumbing fixtures, light fixtures, all pointing to activate the specified interior design. Final testing of the air barrier is performed and submitted as part of the final building inspection and occupancy permit.
Then we are safe to say at the end of the construction, our building meets Step Code 3.
As well as beautiful and functional homes, the introduction of Step Code 3 has ensured that homes are now meeting strict standards for energy efficiency and resultant in homeowner comfort. And that is how you build a cottage to Step Code 3.